What it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We End Up Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. And I'm your host P5, aka P Grateful, and this is another episode of Subscriber Shoutouts. Whatever the fuck I want to talk about, subscriber shoutouts. Anyway, gang, you know what time it is. I'm gonna give some shoutouts to my subscribers. I shout every single subscriber out at certain points. So yeah, this is the latest batch that shows up. Remember, if I don't shout your name up, it's probably because your settings are set to private or something like that. So I've not been able to see your name. But anyway, also we've hit 1,500 subscribers. I really should have confetti and fireworks going off, but yeah, mad love to all of you from the first subscriber. It might have been myself, but you know, from the first, second, third, fourth, fifth subscriber. I remember when I was like, damn, will I get 200 subscribers? And now it's 1,500. I feel like I made it, gang. But yeah, mad love. I'm gonna keep working hard and doing the do. You know, not take it for granted. And yeah, yeah, mad love into it. Let's get into this subscriber shout out, shall we? Let's do it. Shout out Alfie M, mad love to you, sir. Shout out to S, and that's S for sugar. Shout out Keith McNamara, mad love. Shout out Diego Francisco Cajun Garcia, what a great name. Shout out to you. Shout out to Miles Brothers, mad love. Shout out to Romel Casaclang, another dope name. Shout out to Nicole Santos. In fact, they're all dope names. Shout out to you, Nicole Santos. Have I got actually my first registered female subscriber? Ooh, you know, it's not just for the guys. Shout out to Manus, mad love. Shout out to Mark Owens, not Mark Owen from Take That, if only. Shout out to Triple X Florian 11. Shout out to Callum Howie. Shout out to Jolly Cartel. Mad love to all you people. Thank you for your subscription, it's much appreciated. Shout out to Dean Tony. Shout out to Julio Hodar. I hope it's Julio Hodar or Julio Jodar, but I think it's Julio Hodar. I hope so. Shout out to you, and I hope I didn't destroy your name. Shout out to, I think, God, I haven't got my glasses, Kawa Pimarak. I don't know, I think it's a Russian name, I'm so sorry. CAWAPYM, I think Russian RH, I think that's a Russian YEB. Shout out to you. I don't have my glasses. Shout out to IC Hot Stunners, mad love. Sounds like you know, Cash Money them, but yeah, mad love to you. Shout out to CJ So Intelligent. Shout out to Sit P Measy. Shout out to Isaac Montez, mad love. Shout out to Roba Lorente, and shout out to Casuals Dresser Point. Mad love to all you people, and yeah, I appreciate your subscription. I hope you're enjoying the content. I'd just like to shout out to my subscribers, past, present and future. Mad love. You guys make it fun, and yeah, hopefully this year I'll be bringing you a lot more different kind of content, as well as the content that you love. But yeah, guys, stay dope, stay fly, and yeah, I hope you are all well and are having a good new year so far. So yeah, this has been another episode of whatever the fuck I want to talk about, subscriber shout outs. I've been your host P5, aka P Grateful, and this has been Once We End Up Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. The end. Guys, stay dope, stay fly, and leave your comments, like, subscribe, share, you know the deal. And I'll catch up with you very soon. Peace.